from the Latchi harbour here in Cyprus. Today we're going to be heading out on a boat trip to see some beautiful spots from the sea. But before we head out there, remember to like this video and subscribe if you're new. There are new travel videos every week and I really appreciate your support. But for now, let's head out there. So down here by the harbour you will find lots of different tour providers that offer quite the same thing, but it generally costs 20 euros for a half-day trip, and that's what we're heading to now. I now made it onto the boat and we will be setting off at 10:30 and then be arriving back at 1. But as you can imagine, there are very few tourists and currently I'm the only person on this boat. So yeah, I imagine that it's not usually like this. We were so few people on the first boat, it was me and 2 others, so they decided to move us to a different boat with a few more people. But that's okay, we still at least get to go on the trip, so that's good. And yeah, we're about to depart now. The Blue Lagoon and we have a while to go for a swim, and yeah, it definitely deserves its name because the water is so beautiful, and yeah, we'll dive in and see if we see any fish or anything. We go all the way when you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way and face it another day. We go bottoms up. I am now back from my swim and it was so refreshing and so nice. So yeah, and now I'm going to dry off a bit in the sun. Bottoms up. I have now made it back from the boat trip. It was really lovely, but now I am a bit hungry, so I'm going to dig into some lunch. I've made a snack platter with some Cyprus bread and hummus and some vegetables. So yeah, I'm going to dig into this and I'm going to end the video here today. I hope that you found it enjoyable to follow along on this wonderful boat trip. And yeah, more adventures await tomorrow, so I'll see you next time. Bye!